Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today we are going to show you how to mute texts on Android so you can reclaim your peace and quiet. We will walk you through the simple settings to silence specific conversations, so now let's get started. Step 1 is to find and open your Google Message app from your home screen or app drawer. This is the primary hub for all your SMS and RCS conversations where you manage your incoming texts. Step 2 involves scrolling through your conversation list to open that specific chat you want to mute. Selecting the individual thread ensures you are only silencing one person rather than blocking all your notifications. Step 3 requires you to tap on the contact's name located at the very top of the screen. This action opens up the conversation settings and details for that specific person or group chat. Step 4 is where you need to click on notifications to access the alert preferences for this contact. This menu allows you to customize how your phone reacts whenever this particular person sends you a message. Step 5 is the final action where you turn on set to mute to stop all sound and vibration alerts. This is important because it allows you to read the messages later without being interrupted by constant pings throughout the day. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.